Assalamualaikum grade 4. Hopefully my all students will be fine, safe and sound at home. My dear class, as you know, the first unit it's reading and it's grand test, project work, each and everything is done. So my dear class, let's move to the next unit. Please open your books. Today inshallah we will do half reading of unit number 2. Alright class, unit number 2, a tumbler of oil. So in this story we will came to know that how a boy who was careless in his dealings with others and what happened with that boy. The first question what they are asking to us, have you ever run a errand for someone? So it means that have you do any something wrong with anyone? Did you encounter any problem while doing so? How did you solve the problem? If you are fixed in a bad situation, so how you will feel if you are fixed in a bad situation? So let's start this reading. Please be attentive, all of you. Mother called out to Tony to go and get her 8 cents worth of mustard oil. In the first line, my dear class, they are telling us that the mother of the character, mother of Tony, she said to Tony that take 8 cents, it means 8 coins, and go to bazaar and take mustard oil. She handed him a tumbler and some money. Tumbler is a pot in which the boy Tony had to take oil. She warned Tony to be careful. She said that be careful and not start daydreaming again. It means that he was very careless and he goes to his imagination and he forget his work. Tony ran all the way to the market. He would have wandered along, but mother had cautioned him to hurry, and so he did. So in this first paragraph they are telling us that the mother of Tony gave him money to go to market and take mustard oil, and she also warned him that to be careful and come home quickly. On reaching the shop, he asked the shopkeeper to measure out 8 cents worth of mustard oil into the tumbler mother had given him. Tony was in a fix. So Tony was in a bad situation when the shopkeeper told him that the tumbler could contain only 7 cents worth of oil, because the tumbler was not a big pot, and in that pot only 7 cents oil will be managed. So Tony wondered what to do. So he is thinking that what to do and what will be happen. He did not want to disobey mother, so she would be cross. It means that he was feared about his mother, and he thought that if I go to home of 7 cents oil, the mother will be angry with me. What should he do? So he is thinking about that what should I do. So my dear class, today you have to do reading of these 2 paragraphs carefully, and I'm repeating the difficult words: want, careful, daydreaming, measure, disobey. Hopefully that you get the idea, you get the situation, you get the reading of a tumbler of oil, unit number 2. Allah Hafiz to all of you.